Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to select and move layers in Photoshop. Okay, first of all, click Move tool and see this auto select. So transform control. You can use or do not use as you wish. I select auto select and see this auto select layer. I do not use this. Okay, and see this group layer. Simple click and now see this hold click on your mouse, hold click, then drag it. Now see this point, okay, and see this group point. Show online for edit inside, move group and show double line, then now select move outline layer. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.